Okay, we have our American hero this morning, and we're highlighting this team of medical specialists from the American Academy of Facial, Plastic, and Reconstructive Surgery. Together, they make a pact to make a difference overseas, and they just returned from a medical mission in Ukraine, treating soldiers and civilians that have had facial injuries as a result of the war there. Dr. Manoj Abraham, a New York facial plastic surgeon, led this collaborative effort. He serves as the chair of Face to Face, which is the humanitarian part of an extensive network of board-certified surgeons, and he joins us right now live. Thank you so much, Dr. Abraham, for being with us.
Good morning.
You've helped assemble this group of physicians. This mission work, why was it so important for you to actually be a part?
So I'm the chair of the Face to Face committee, which is the humanitarian arm of the Facial Plastics Academy. I've really been passionate about medical work. I've traveled all over the country doing cleft lip and palate, craniofacial congenital deformity type work. But in Ukraine, there's so many patients who are injured from the conflict. And we really felt that this was an opportunity where we could share our expertise and help these patients, with devastating facial injuries.
You operated on patients in Ukraine, as you talked about. What was the most common injury or surgery that you had to perform?
So unfortunately, a lot of these injuries are a result of shrapnel, bullet wounds, burns, atrocities committed in the war. And so our skill set was to really bring some very complex reconstructive techniques, microvascular tissue transfer, for instance, using a part of the leg to reconstruct missing parts of the jaw, 3D custom specific implants that we use to reconstruct parts of the facial skeleton that were missing. Our Ukrainian colleagues are very talented. They have a lot of abilities, but to bring this additional skill set there and train them on that use was very gratifying.
And I'm sure that those who you were performing these surgeries on were so thankful and just so grateful. Can you tell us a little bit about maybe a life lesson that you learned in serving and being a part of this mission and helping assemble it?
Yeah, I mean, it took a lot of effort to put this together. They have a lot of partner organizations. Razum, which is a Ukrainian aid organization, Maria Soroka, the founder, really helped coordinate a lot of this. Dr. Nibor, who was a Ukrainian-born surgeon, helped us with the logistics as well. Healing the Children, which is an organization I work with, was incredible in providing team members and fundraising. If I were to talk about it, a story, it's just incredible. The patients there have incredible courage. They want to return to the war effort, and so being able to put them back together so that they can help, again, fight for their country, it was incredibly gratifying. A lot of the stories are heartbreaking. A woman was shot through the face trying to help her son, when they were stopped by Russian soldiers. And so being able to reconstruct her jaw, for instance, was incredibly gratifying.
Yeah, Dr. Abraham, thank you for all you do, and thank you to your entire team. And being a part of our show, thank you for sharing your story. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.